Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Gabe Agelan, here with MarineMax in Miami, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough on this beautiful, brand new 2024 Sea Ray 37 Sundancer outboard. This is an old take on a classic, the Sundancer series. Sea Ray has completely redesigned this model. You'll notice a lot of new, sleeker lines, a lot of innovation on this boat, a lot of clear windows, natural sunlight. Beautiful, beautiful job with what they've done here. Starting with this engine package, you've got the upgraded twin V12 Mercury 600 Verado engines. Great engine power for this boat. Gets up on plane real fast. You're going to be in the upper 50s. Can't say enough about what these engines have done for the industry and specifically for this boat. As you'll see, very nice and long transom walkthrough. You're able to walk around throughout the entire platform. You do have your battery switches on the starboard side. You also have a shower as well, so you can wash off after a day on the sun, and a boarding ladder on the back of the platform as well. As you come inside, Sea Ray's done a really nice job with the seating layout. I want to point out this awesome aft-facing seat. So now you can also be under the shade on this sure shade. Extend that part out. You can see here the engines are on. You can't even hear them, and it's a great place to enjoy an afternoon sunset or watching kids dive off the swim platform. Stepping into the cockpit, nice L-shaped seating. You're going to have the beautiful teak table here with your summer kitchen. Nice Kenyan electric grill powered through your generator. You're going to have a freshwater sink in here as well. You'll notice 12-volt fridge here that also works off your generator, trash receptacle, and a storage right here under your countertop. Moving into the helm area, you'll see Sea Ray has really done a great job changing this so it all clean look. It's twin Simrad screens. They've taken a lot of the redundancy out with the buttons. You've got a lot of digital switching now. Boat does come with Seakeeper. You're also going to have on this one joystick, trim tabs, and your throttle shifters. As we look above, we'll see that we have the skylight open right now. It's a beautiful day here in Miami, and we're taking full advantage of that with that open skylight. You've also got a window here that does a great job of channeling air into the cockpit, so you're not hot on those summer days. We do have the isinglass up on both sides right now, but you can get this boat fully enclosed, or as the windows are right now, halfway open. Step over to the bow area when you get a chance. Wonderful space up here. Again, now you'll notice the redesign of the 37 Sundancer. They've done a walkthrough around the side instead of through the middle, which is what we were used to in the past. A lot of storage here and space to lounge out. You've also got a backrest that you can enjoy to sit down. We've got the anchor out right now. It's a great day. This is kind of some of the things you can do on this boat with the space and the features that Sea Ray has given us. Now let's move down to the cabin. I want to show you some of the amenities down there as well. And now we sit here in the cabin of the 37 Sundancer. I want to highlight some of the features on here. You've got a beautiful countertop, microwave, as well as a fridge, an extra sink for fresh water as well. Here you've got a lot of seating area, TV here to your starboard side. Right now we've got the forward berth open, but this does electronically fold into a couch as well. So you'll have press of a button and it'll all come down. You have another L-shaped seating there as well. Mentioned the TV here, windows in here as well to help light the boat up. Nice closet area here as well. And one of the nicest features here on the head is that you do have a separate space for your shower, so it isn't on top of the toilet. Now down to the main area here, you've got a TV that actually opens up in here. So you can have the kids watching TV down here And when it's time to wrap up the night and go to sleep, these backrests will actually pop off. They come up and they'll lay across here, so you have another bed to sleep in. Big area down here, storage again here as well. Love what Sea Ray's done with this boat. This is AC'd. We're under climate control right now. It really provides a great area after a long day to cool off and enjoy an afternoon or an evening on the boat. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough on the 2024 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. Again, Gabe Agelan, 813-778-3015, or come visit us at MarineMax Miami or on the web at marinemax.com. Thanks again.